Ang video na to ay tungkol naman sa conversion. Modern method of conversion and proper math equation. For example, inch to centimeter and centimeter to inch, vice versa. So ito ang ating equation. Conversion formula, vice versa. Ang equivalent, 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeter. So, if you find centimeter is inch times 2.54 centimeter over 1 inch. And if you find inch, centimeter times 1 inch over 2.54 centimeter. So, example, 50 centimeter convert into inches. So, inches, centimeter times 1 inch over 2.54. No, nara. Ito na ang ating equation. No, again, example, 50 centimeter convert into inches. So, inches ay centimeter times 1 inch over 2.54 centimeter. So, baba tayo. 50 centimeter times 1 inch over 2.54 centimeter. So, centimeter over centimeter, so cancel at maiwan ang inches. So, baba tayo. 50 inches over 2.54 equals 19.685 inches. So, 50 centimeter equals 19.685 inches. So, reverse tayo. Guys. So, reverse equation. 19.685 inches convert into centimeter. So, centimeter equals is inch times 2.5 centimeter over 1 inch. So, centimeter 19.685 inches times 2.54 centimeter over 1 inch. So, inch over inch is cancel at maiwan ang centimeter. So, baba tayo. 49.999 centimeter over 1 equals 499.999 centimeter. Round off to 50 centimeter. So, 19.685 inches equals 50 centimeter. So, another formula of conversion. Ito ang sheet B ng conversion. Inch to centimeter conversion pa rin. Pero 1 centimeter ang 1 centimeter equals 0.393700,787 inches ang kanyang equivalent. So, if you find inches, centimeter times 0.393700,787 inches over 1 centimeter. If you find centimeter is inches times 1 centimeter over 393700,787 inches. So, example. Yeah. Example, exercises, example. 50 centimeter convert to inches. No, ito ang sheet B ng ating equation. So, inches is centimeter times 0.393700,787 inches over 1 centimeter. So, 50 centimeter times 0.393700,787 inches over 1 centimeter. So, centimeter over centimeter, so cancel at maiwan ang inches. So, baba tayo. inches is 19.65 inches over 1. So, 9 equals 19.65 inches. So, 50 centimeter equals 19.65 inches. Okay. So, reverse tayo. 19.65 inches convert into centimeter. Yeah. Okay, again. Reverse equation. 19.685 inches convert into centimeter. So, centimeter equals inches times 1 centimeter over 0.3937000787 inches. So, baba tayo. Centimeter is 19.685 inches times 1 centimeter over 3937000787 inches. So, inches over inches, so cancel. At maiwan ang centimeter. So, centimeter is 19.685 centimeter over 3937 over 0.3937000787 equals 49.999 centimeter. Round off is 50 centimeter. So, ito ang set B ng ating equation. So, may iba pa. Paano 50 centimeter equals 19 centimeter? So, yan ang ating formula, no? Pwede din natin gawing formula. Ito. Okay. Sisika muna. Okay. Conversion formula, vice versa. Inch to centimeter, then centimeter to inch. So, if you find inch or inches, centimeter times 19.65 inches over 50 centimeter. So, if you find centimeter is inches times 50 centimeter over 19.65 inches. So, example, exercises, equation. So, ito na. 50 centimeter convert into inches. So, inches, centimeter times 19.65 inches over 50 centimeter. So, baba tayo. 50 centimeter times 19.65 inches over 50 centimeter. So, simplify natin ha. So, 50 centimeter over centimeter is cancel at naiwan ang inches, no? Sinisimplify lang natin. So, inches equals 984.25 inches over 50. So, inches is 19.685 inches. So, 50 centimeter equals to 19.685 inches, no? Kapag ganito din ang ating gagawin na formula. Pwede rin natin gawing formula ito. Okay, reverse. Reverse equation. So, ito na. Reverse equation. 19.685 inches convert into centimeter. So, centimeter is inch times 50 centimeter times 9.65 inch or inches. So, simplify, baba natin. 19.685 inches times 50 centimeter over 19.685 inches. So, inches over inches, so cancel. At naiwan ang centimeter. So, baba tayo. 984.25 centimeter over 19.685 equals 50 centimeter. So, 50 centimeter equals 19.685 inches. So, yun ang modern method of conversion in proper math equation. So, yun lang at salamat.